Are you looking for the best folding elliptical? In this video we will look at some of the best folding elliptical on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Legacy Stepping Elliptical Machine. This elliptical training machine uses a magnetic resistance with a belt drive system, providing an extremely quiet and smooth striding experience. You can do intense cardio workouts without disturbing your family. Avoid the hassle of overly complicated assembly. This convenient elliptical cross trainer is designed for quick assembly. With our detailed manual and assembly video instructions, users usually take less than 30 minutes to assemble it. The SFE 905 elliptical machine provides a full-body cardio exercise with minimal impact. You can enjoy the same benefits of running without hurting your knees, making it perfect for people looking to recover from injuries. With the twist of the precise microcontroller equipped with 8 levels of magnetic resistance, you can easily adjust the intensity of your workout and quickly locate the exact level needed for your routine. This compact machine is ideal for people looking to achieve an incredible workout but do not have much space to work with. Measuring only 17 x 57 inches wide by 28 inches high, the space-saving design and transportation wheels allow for easy storage and portability. Keep track of your progress with the LCD monitor, which displays time, speed, distance, total distance, calories, RPM, and pulse rate. Number 2. Pre-installed elliptical exercise machine. Elliptical trainer is designed to be 95% pre-assembled, making it incredibly easy for anyone to finish installation in just 30 minutes. Plus, when not in use, it can be quickly and easily folded up for compact storage, saving valuable space in your home. Perfect for busy individuals who want a convenient and effective workout solution. Newly upgraded elliptical workout equipment features 22 levels of adjustable resistance, providing a challenging workout for every member of your family, no matter what their fitness level may be. From beginners to fitness enthusiasts, everyone can find a suitable resistance level to meet their needs. Go ahead and challenge yourself with the highest level of resistance on our elliptical machine. Elliptical exercise equipment is designed with an easy-to-read LCD monitor that displays your time, speed, distance, calories burned, pulse rate, and scan. Additionally, pulse pads on the stationary handlebars allow for convenient heart rate monitoring during your workout. And for added convenience, we've included a tablet holder, so you can enjoy your favorite videos or music while exercising. Young Fit elliptical exercise machine is designed with a magnetic resistance system that provides an unbelievably smooth and nearly silent workout experience. You can exercise indoors without worrying about disturbing your family or roommates, and the machine requires virtually no maintenance. Enjoy a peaceful and effective workout in the comfort of your own home. Number 3. Cardio Climber Stepping Elliptical Exercise Machine. Confidently enjoy long-lasting climbing and striding sessions when you exercise on the steel climber frame that has a user weight limit of 260 pounds. This versatile machine combines the best of stepping and striding in one intense movement. Climb to a vertical height of 9 inches and stride a horizontal distance of 5 inches. Perfect for shared spaces, it has a smooth belt drive mechanism that makes minimal noise during your workout. Engage the 14 pounds inertia-ready flywheel to perform challenging strides and climbs with ease. Monitor how hard you workout when you measure your heart rate by grabbing onto the integrated pulse sensors, which can also be used for additional support while exercising. Monitor your progress when you track your time, RPM, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. Packed with extra goal-oriented functions, it is a calendar, clock, and thermometer. Product dimensions -44 liters x 25 w x 64 h inches. The 8 levels of magnetic resistance make working out easy when you want it, hard when you need it. Switch up the intensity to boost or lower your challenge based on your comfort level. Conveniently located at just an arm's length away from hydration. Stay cool and refreshed with your favorite mid-workout beverage. Number 4. 3-in-1 exercise machine. With a patented 3"-1 design, this trio trainer can function as an elliptical trainer, upright stationary cycle, and a recumbent bike. Save space and get all the cardio exercises you love with this convertible equipment. The innovative design of this trio trainer allows for effortless transitions without the need to dismount or adjust hardware. Easily adjust the magnetic resistance to customize your workout to your needs. The advanced flywheel system allows the machine to run quietly with continuous resistance level adjustment. In addition, the flywheel included in the trio trainer is comparable to those on professional-grade floor cycles. This unique and compact fitness glider comes with 3 different sets of integrated handlebars to choose from: U-shaped, dual action, and wraparound. At base of seat. Because it provides so many workout possibilities, it is perfect for your home gym setup. The transport wheel make this machine easy to transport and store when not in use. Number 5. Elliptical trainer for home use. Elliptical machine features an 13.2 pounds flywheel for bidirectional movement workouts. The 8 adjustable levels of magnetic resistance allow you to find the perfect exercise resistance for your needs. You can easily switch the tension knob to adjust resistance, ensuring your workout is challenging and effective. This elliptical trainer adopts the latest magnetic control and mute system and can control noise below 20 dB. You will get hyper quiet and ultra smooth exercise without disturbing your family. This cross trainer is equipped with an advanced LCD monitor exactly displays your time, speed, distance, calories, pulse, and odometer. The stationary handlebar with built-in pulse sensors for monitoring heart rate. Put your favorite device on the holder to enjoy the videos or music. The smooth and natural motion of elliptical fitness is ideal for working your legs, core, and arms while burning a high number of calories. Dual handlebars are designed can coordinate muscles in all parts of your body and help shape your body. With a 14 inches stride, 13.8 L, x 6.3 W, large and non-slip foot pedals provide you with a superb, comfortable and safe workout experience. The elliptical exercise machine is constructed of a heavy-duty iron frame structure that contributes outstanding stability and a loading capacity maximum weight of 265 pounds. Fits for the height of 4 feet 9 inches to 6 feet 2 inches. All family members can join in the exercise.